Imagine spotting a DeFi gem before it rockets from pennies to dollars, handing early holders life-changing gains. That's AERO on Aerodrome Finance, the base chain powerhouse that's quietly dominating swaps and yields. Right now, at $1.20-ish, fresh news screams momentum. Billions in volume, Coinbase listings, Solana bridges, and community launches flooding rewards. But here's the real edge. The weekly charts flashing breakout signals that could push us to $7 plus. If you missed my April call at 62 cents, this is your reset. Stick around. I'll unpack the buzz from X, then dive deep into that chart for exact entries, stops, and targets. New to crypto? No sweat, I'll break it down simple. Let's turn data into dollars. Jump into the heat. Aerodrome just owned Epoch 106 on Base. They debuted their community launch model, snagging the top new launches while Avanti's exploded with over $100 million in volume in just 3 days. Total recap? A whopping $3.9 billion in volume, $2.8 million in voting rewards distributed, and $2.6 million in swap fees. That's raw traction on a chain built for speed. Fast forward to last week's top 10 dApps on Base by 30-day revenue. Aerodrome sits at number 1 with $17.5 million, outpacing football fun and virtuals. And in the broader DEX wars? Phoenix Crypto News ranks them 4th globally last month, clocking $22.4 billion in volume, trailing only Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and Radium. For newcomers, DEX means decentralized exchange, like a crypto ATM anyone can use without banks. This dominance? It's fuel for AERO's fire, proving real users are piling in for seamless trades and yields. Now picture cross-chain magic. Aerodrome is expanding the Base economy big time. Solana tokens are landing on Base via a shiny new bridge announced by Base itself. Users will deploy, trade, and provide liquidity. LP for short, that's pooling assets to earn fees, for Solana assets all in one spot. No more silos, it's a unified playground. Base nailed it. For a better global economy, it needs to be interoperable and connected. And they're here for it, as Aerodrome posted. Layer on Coinbase Advanced. AERO's now live for perpetuals trading. Futures contracts without expiry for leveraged bets. 9 new collaterals dropped, including AERO, say Fartcoin. Yeah, that one's wild. Tau Pump Bonk, Pengu Pepe, and Zora. This opens floodgates. Traders worldwide can collateralize with AERO, boosting demand. If you're eyeing yields, these bridges mean more liquidity, less friction. Game changer for Base's growth spurt. Shifting to pure community vibes, Syndicate's token launch on Aerodrome screams fairness over frenzy. They've airdropped non-transferable tokens to over 100 communities already. Step 2. A liquidity pool created, sans initial liquidity to avoid rugs. They deposited 1% of total fixed syndicate supply as voting incentives. Next Epoch AERO holders. Those locked for voting power, direct emissions to top pools, flowing rewards where activity shines. LPs then deposit SYND into that pool to claim prior emissions. From there, market action and community set the price. No VC dumps, it's user-driven. As Aerodrome put it, community will determine token price. This model? It rewards real engagement, not insiders. For beginners, think of it as a democratic vote on where rewards go. Keeps things honest and exciting. Aerodrome's proving DeFi can be equitable. Speaking of rewards, Aerodrome's Slipstream LP incentives are printing money. Check the dashboard. Ethereum Zora at 1,319% and Ethereum Virtual at 339%. These are annual percentage rates on your pooled assets. Earn while providing liquidity in concentrated ranges. For newbies, LP means lending your crypto to trades, snagging a cut of fees plus these boosts. High APRs like these? They lure capital, amp volume, and yes, juice AERO's value. If you're stacking yields, start small here. Compounding is your friend. Alright, the meat. Let's dissect this AERO weekly chart. Fibonacci retracements? Those golden ratios traders love for support and resistance. I anchored from last December's top to April's lows. Price bounced off the 382 fib level. Now wants to test once again that yellow dashed line, actually a descending trend line rejected in August. The green square screams my buy zone. DCA between 50 cents to $1 if it dips. Perfect for accumulators who skipped my April 29th entry at 62 cents. By the way, we hit our $1.50 first TP in August. Red dash stop loss. Weekly close below invalidates, but my long-term bag stays. Project is too solid in my opinion. Oh, Heikin-Ashi RSI indicator? Smooth candles for trends. First green in 3 weeks, bullish in overbought territory. It can chill their weeks, signaling strength. VRVP on the left. Volume profile shows point of control at 60 cents, where most trades happened, now support. Bullish kicker. Price above EMA's 10 and 21 blue and 55 purple, using EMA 10 as dynamic support. Time freedom Rob nailed it. Price and RSI bouncing, golden cross incoming, next leg building. My next take profits. Green circles at 230, 360, 570, and $7.80. Trail stops post first hit. Honest take. Fundamentals rock. Base is TVL leader, but crypto is volatile. I'm risking 2 to 3% per trade. This setup? High conviction long. Now you've got the tools. Fair launches, juicy yields, bridges galore. If this sparks your portfolio glow up, punch that like button if you're eyeing that $7, comment your TP level below, and subscribe for more no BS daily breakdowns. Crypto Yield Pros got your back. Missed my April AERO deep dive or the last update? Links on screen. Watch now, level up. Questions on LP setup or fibs? Drop M, I'll reply. Trade smart, stay yielding, never financial advice. See you tomorrow in the next one.